Stephen Edmund King was born 21st of September 1947 at a hospital in Portland, Maine. His parents, Nellie and Donald, were happily married, but when Stephen was 2 years, the father left the family. Nellie was on her own to raise Stephen and his adopted big brother David. When Stephen was 11, his grandparents died. He witnessed as a child one of his friends being struck and killed by a train. In 1966, King studied English at the University of Maine. He graduated in 1970. While still in school, he started writing for fun, and in 1933, his first novel was accepted by publishing house Doubleday. He married Tabitha Spruce in 1971, and together they got 3 children. David started posting some of the stories at a newspaper he worked at. Some of the stories Stephen wrote were inspired by movies he saw, and some of the darker ones may be inspired from his friend's death. He got a drinking problem when he was writing short stories for a magazine. In 2015, he will be releasing his second book in his trilogy, and it's called Finders Keepers.